iPhone 9 will get a larger diagonal display than everyone expected. In iPhone SE 2. As soon as the first news about the iPhone SE 2, iPhone 9 appeared, he was immediately nicknamed the improved version of the iPhone 8, with an interesting filling and a similar design. But new information from foreign media indicates that the smartphone may turn out to be completely different from what we were previously described. Everyone has long known that the A13 Bionic processor will appear in the smartphone, but many publications could not decide on the display diagonal. The Tech publication claims that in fact we will see a smartphone with a 4.9-inch display. Despite the slightly large screen, the dimensions of the smartphone are still similar to the iPhone 8 and Touch ID will be placed in the same place. Thus, compared with the iPhone 8, the screen in 9K will occupy more front panel area and most likely the width of the lower frame will be reduced. Earlier it was reported that the iPhone 9 SE 2 has an initial cost of $399 for the option with a 64GB drive. But a version with a 128GB drive will also appear on the market. It is also worth mentioning that the manufacturer of protective cases totally started selling cases for iPhone SE 2. As you can see, only one sensor of the main camera is confirmed. And you can also see that the smartphone's on, off button and SIM card tray are on the right side.